Hi, my name is Brittany and I'm the marketing coordinator here at Kennedy Marketing Group. Each week, I'm going to keep you up to date on all the exciting things happening here at KMG. I'll be discussing outstanding results from our dealership campaigns, marketing and sales tips and tricks, and insight into our office culture. Recently, KMG truly delivered for one of the largest Kia dealerships in the nation. This Florida dealership did their very first personalized power invitation campaign with us after they found out that over 44% of their customers no longer owns a vehicle on file using our vehicle owner verification data analysis. We did a March Madness buyback sale for them using 10,000 invitations for this 20-day event. Off this one event, this dealership sold 119 vehicles and serviced 441 directly from our campaign. These are the outstanding results, and we are so looking forward to generating more in the market customers for this dealership. Make sure to be looking out for these KMG Weekly Reports so you'll be in the know of all the exciting things happening.